Right, hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to change the texting module and SIM card unit. First of all, make sure that this unit has its nameplate on the right hand side. Undo the 6 screws at the bottom and carefully undo the lid. And before you do any of the 3 steps, first thing you must do is to unplug the solar cell lid, and secondly unplug the power supply. Just take it out like that. Right, the 3 steps to make sure we have a plug and play texting module like this is first to, and I cannot stress this enough, is to mark the pin with a pencil. So we have to mark the space, the pin that is not used, which is the second one from the top next to the coil antenna there. Must mark that pin. Must be no doubt which pin it is. So not only have you got to mark the second wire down there, you've also got to mark the vertical strip as well, so you know exactly where it goes back, in which holes it goes back, because once you take it out it's not easy to find out. Anyway, so make sure those marks are obvious. Let me do that one. So there we go. So make sure those marks are obvious, the vertical plane where the wires go in, and where that the second wire from the top and with the coil aerial is. Now once you've done that, mark it out, then it's a relatively straightforward matter of unsoldering, desoldering these just 4 wires from the back. If you can't desolder them, they all, because it's not easy, you might have to cut this wire and try and desolder these 3 altogether. I find that much easier, but whatever do, this has to come out. Now I've already got this out. There we go. Now next thing is to mark that with sign saying UK, which I have done. So that's the texting module with the UK SIM card. Now that can't be used anywhere else except back in the UK, possibly at some time in the future. Next thing we have to do is to get this little socket here, and this is where it's very important to make sure you put it where the SIM card module was. So the second wire from the top goes where you've marked it there, and there we go. Got to be careful. So that's where it goes. Yes, and that's not the top wire but the second wire down, which is not plugged in. Right, once you've done that and soldered that in, you should get something looking like that. Now I've put that little bit of yellow in there to remind me which way it goes round. So that's the second hole from the top. Do not use it. Once the socket is in to the unit, soldered, turn it over. And once again, this is very important, obviously. Just make sure that there are no solder bridges or solder wafers of solder spanning any of those connectors. You should be able to run your fingernail through them and visually inspect that there is no connection. Right, when that's done, it's a matter of turning it over. And this, oh no, this is the new SIM card module with the 4 pins and the one with a gap. And it's a matter of addressing it up there and very gently but firmly rocking it into position. There we go. Make sure your local SIM card is with the slot at the top. Click it in place and you should be ready to go. Once you've done that, make sure the solar cell, this solar cell is bigger than yours because we're in the UK and there's rubbish sunshine in the UK, so it's bigger and you have 2 smaller ones, but don't worry about that. Making sure that all these little washers are in too, because any water coming in here will make this all go green and mouldy, corrode. Make sure it's mounted up, a little bit of silicone, Vaseline all the way around so it doesn't leak. Then do the 6 screws up, and that is how to replace the SIM card module on the AWSOM wellhead unit. Thanks for watching and good luck.